Hi there. Welcome to the practice questions on being able to convert between fractions and decimals. What I'd like you to do now is to pause the video, have a go at these 6 questions here. Then when you're happy with your answers, then restart the video and check your answers against the model answers. So pause the video now, have a go at questions 1 to 6. Hi, welcome back. Let's now go through these 6 questions together. Question 1 then, I've got to change the fractions to decimals. Okay, well as long as you've got the number over 10 or 100 or 1000, this is a very simple procedure. All we do is we write 0 and put our decimal point in, and the number on the top of the numerator is what goes after the decimal point, 0.6. Question 2, we haven't got a 10 on the bottom here. So we need to change it. So this is simple enough. All I need to do is change the 5 to a 10. 5 times 2 gives me 10, so I've multiplied the denominator by 2. Now to keep this fraction equivalent, I need to multiply the numerator by 2 as well. 4 times 2 gives me 8 over 10. Now it's simply a case of writing it as 0.8, exactly like we did on the first one. Question 3. Now, for question 3, this is quite a complicated one here. This is one that we do really need to remember. I would strongly advise this. What we've got here is we've got 3 over 8. Now, 1 over 8 is actually half of a quarter. Now, you should know that a quarter is 0.25. So if a quarter is 0.25, 1 over 8 is half of 0.25, which is 0.125. Well, if 1/8 is 0.125, if we multiply 1/8 by 3, we're going to get 3/8. And 3 times 0.125 is 0.375. Quite a complicated one, that one. Next off, we're going to change the following decimals to fractions. So we're going the other way here. Now, if 6 over 10 was 0.6, then 0.4 will become 4 over 10. We usually have to write this in its simplest form though. So we have to divide this fraction by 2, which gives me 2 over 5. Question 5. Well, the procedure behind this is writing 25 over 100 and then writing this in its lowest terms. 25 goes into a 25 and 100. It is a factor of both. 25 into 100 goes once, and 25 into 25 goes once, and 25 into 100 goes 4 times. But you should remember that 0.25 is a quarter and vice versa. 0.175, well, this becomes 175 over 1000. And you should be able to see here what I've done. When it's a 1 decimal place, we write it over 10. When you have 2 decimal places, we write it over 100. When we have 3 decimal places, it has to go over 1000. So we've now got 175 over 1000. We need to write that in its lowest terms. I can see that 25 goes into both of these. 25 into 175 goes 7 times. And 25 into 1000 is 40. So it becomes 7 over 40 as a fraction in its lowest terms.